Hello, Joseph Moore. So today I'm doing video essay questions 2. This one's labeled bones. The questions are over here. I'm going to refer to my body to demonstrate the parts of the body that we talk about today. So the first question, your x-ray exam reveals that you have fractured your fibula. Your physician remarks, well, it's better than breaking your tibia. Explain why a fracture of the tibia would be worse than a fracture to the fibula. So the tibia is actually the larger, more medial bone of the two lower leg bones that we have in our body. So when you look at the lower leg, the lateral side, or the side further away from the center of your body, is the fibula. It's a joke about it's the smaller bone, so at least he didn't break the bigger one. An individual with very low levels of vitamin D presents themselves to you complaining of seemingly fragile bones. Explain how these might be connected. So vitamin D deficiency, I believe that's called rickets. Vitamin D deficiency will prevent your bones from growing properly, creating the density that you need to have healthy bones over your lifespan. So vitamin D is kind of like an enabler that enables calcium and other things in your body to be made into bones, basically. During the early years of space exploration, our astronauts had been floating in space, would return to Earth showing significant bone loss depending on how long they were in space. Discuss how this might happen and what could be done to alleviate this condition. So this is actually really fascinating. I've been to the Kennedy Space Center a few times. So astronauts in space aren't fighting the forces of gravity. So your body under normal conditions on Earth at all times is fighting the force of gravity. So to a degree, it's hard to look at it like this, but basically it's almost like compared to no gravity, it's like you're always working out here. So your muscles, your bones, your whole body actually is under that constant pressure, and that pressure is what allows your bones and muscles to be used more effectively. We know that when you don't use a part of the body, a lot of times it will deteriorate muscles, bones. So what they do in space to prevent that is they actually work out constantly. They have what's called a resistance band, which will hold them against the treadmill and other machines that they use to work out in space, keep their muscles and bones healthy and growing. Awesome. That's the last question. Thank you.